Hey guys, you are watching Teachers, and in this video I will show you how to write the program for week 5 problem 3 in problem solving through programming in C. So the program or the question says write a C program to check whether the given number can be expressed as power of 2 or not. For example, 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power 3. So the initial input function is written in the program. So I will show you how to write the next one. So as you can see, I have copied the first part of the program. Now there is two way of doing this. One way is to use math.h, which can be included at the top of the program, but since it is not used, we have to apply for other method. So in this I have used two variable I and j. For I have started a loop from 2 to n smaller than n. It will not come close to n because if 2 to the power 8 will be much more greater than 8, so it will go till a very small amount of number. So 2 I equals to 2 I smaller than n I plus plus. For j equals to 2, so I will be counting the number of number, oh sorry, means I will start from 2 and will go from to the number itself. So j equals to 2 and j smaller than equals to I. I am using 2 here because 2 to the power 1 is 2. So if I will take s equals to 2, I don't have to make or run the program for 2 to the power 1. So I have used 2 in all places. So when it will go from 2 to j will go from 2 and will be smaller than I will uh, multiply it with 2 the number of times it will run. So if suppose I have given a number 4, so here I will be equals to 1, I will be equals to 2 and I will be smaller than n. Okay, first time. So j is equals to 2 and j is smaller than 2, so it will run the loop for once and 2 into 2 will be 4. So if s equals to n, which will be n s 4 equals to 4, then it will assign the value of f as 1 and break and get out from the loop. So if f equals to 1, it will print there is a can be expressed in the power of 2 or else it will not be expressed in the power of 2. So let us take a example of 5. So first it will be 2 is smaller than 5 plus plus first loop and j equals to 2, j smaller than 2, so it will run for once. So 2 into 2 will be 4. Okay, then it will come to the part and it will assign the value of 2 to s to 2 and it will continue again. Then it will assign the value 3 to I. So it will again go from 2 to greater 2 smaller than 3. So it will run the loop for 2 times. So s into 2, 2 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4 and 4 into 2, 8. So it will be greater than 5. So if s is greater than 5, f equals to 2 and it will break. And if f is not equals to 1, it will print that is a it is not it can be not cannot be expressed in the power of 2. So the next program is okay. So let us see the fourth program. So it says write a C program to find sum of the following series 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by n. So the first part of the program is already written in the question. So we'll see what we have to do next. So I have taken a float integer, sorry, a float variable I, which will run as a loop. So I equals to 1, I smaller than n, I plus plus, and in sum, I will add sum plus 1 by n as given in the program. It's a very simple program, you can understand by looking at it. So it will add the number of times is the loop will run. So if n equals to 2, it will run for twice. So it will first add 1 sum plus 1 by 1 plus sum plus 1 by 2 and it will print the result in the print function. Similarly, we will see the program number 5. It says write a C program to print the following pyramid pattern from up to n row. So it is a up, upper left downwards triangle. So first the value of I will be 5. In this case it will be 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So we have to write the program like this. So you can see here I have taken two variables I and j for running the loop, for one for row and one for column. I is for row and j is for column. So you can see I n equals to j I equals to n, I equals to n, and I is greater than 1, I minus minus. So from 5 it will come to 1. It will be a row 5 4 3 2 1. And for j equals to 1, j is greater than equals smaller than equals to I. Then that means when when first row will be, so let's take it as first row I is 5 and j will go from 1. So j will go from 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5. It will come to the next line and it will, I value will depreciate and it will become 4. Then I will run from 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will run from 1, 2, 3. I will become 2. So j will run from 1, 2. I will become 1 and j will run for 1. So it will print this type of diagram, this type of pattern. So thank you for watching, and all the program will be given in the description. A link will be given in the description. Please subscribe our channel to get all the videos of NPTEL and other programming languages. Also, we'll be uploading various projects which we will make in the times. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.